Hello, good morning girls. And today we discuss about the disinvestment in PSUs. आज हम पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग्स में डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम उसको डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होता है उसकी डेफिनेशन देंगे। इन्वेस्टमेंट refers to the conversion of money or cash into securities, debentures, bonds, or any other claims on money. As follows, the disinvestment involves the conversion of money claims or securities into money or cash. यानी यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट का मतलब होता है कि कन्वर्जन ऑफ मनी और कैश इनटू द सिक्योरिटीज, डिबेंचर, बॉन्ड्स और एनी क्लेम्स on money, but disinvestment involve the conversion of money claims or securities into money or cash. And disinvestment can also be defined as the action of organization or government selling or liquidating an asset or subsidiary, and it is also referred to as disinvestment or diversity. In most contexts, disinvestment typically refers to sale from the government partly or fully of a government owned enterprises. A company or a government organizations will typically disinvest an asset either as a strategic move for the company or for raising resources to meet general specific needs. This is the definition of disinvestment, and now we discuss the few objectives of disinvestment. The new economic policy initiated in July 1991 clearly indicated the PSUs had shown a very negative rate of return on capital employed. Inefficient PSUs had become and were continuing to be a drag on the government resources, turning to be more of liabilities to the governments than being assets. Many undertakings traditionally established as a pillars of growth had become a burden on the economy. The national gross domestic product and gross national savings were also getting adversely affected by low returns from PSUs. About 10 to 15% of the total gross domestic savings were getting reduced on account of low saving from PSUs. In relation to the capital employed, the levels of profits were too low. Of the various factors responsible for low profits in PSUs, the following were identified as particularly important. Okay girls,